welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Coming at you from my Christmas tree. I hope you guys are having a nice start to your holiday season. I'm so excited for the holidays, and I feel like decorating for Christmas has really gotten me excited. I can't believe that Thanksgiving is next week. Like, what the heck? I can't get over that. But this video is gonna be going live on Friday, I think. So we're going into the weekend. Just wanna give you guys some cleaning motivation to get your house picked up before we go into the weekend so that you can relax and have a stress-free weekend without feeling like you need to clean up everything. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing to prepare for my weekend. But first, I wanna show you some little updates to my Christmas decor from my, I'll link, I don't know what side it goes on, but I'll link up in a card my holiday decor video. But I made a couple of updates, so I just wanted to show you guys that really fast. Okay, so I added some garland up above the cabinets, and yeah, it's messy because we're gonna clean some of that up. But yeah, I added some garland up there, and I really like how it turned out. It creates such a beautiful ambiance at nighttime, and I love it. It actually matches the garland that I have over here on the mantle. And yeah, I also got a new wreath to put on my door that also matches the garland. So I will link both of these in the description box if you want to get the exact one that I have. The garland actually came, it did not come lit. I put my own lights on it, which I actually prefer because if the lights go out, it's just a lot easier to deal with that versus having something that's pre-lit. Then it's very hard to get the lights off, blah, blah, blah. You know what I'm talking about. So anyway, that's how that looks. And I'm very happy with it. And then I also wanted to mention this to you guys, this little hack that makes life so much easier. I'll try to get this to focus. But I have a remote. Come on. There we go. So I have this remote that's hooked up to my Christmas tree and hooked up to the garland. And I can turn everything off and on with this remote, which I love. And turn it back on. Whoops. I press that and the tree goes on, and then I press this and that goes on. So I just love this. Super simple. Basically how this works is there's a little attachment that you plug into the wall, and then this remote connects to that, and then there's another attachment in the plug over there that's hooked up to the garland. So I just love that. Let me show you what it looks like with the lights off. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but in person it's very pretty. You guys will have to let me know what you think. So I know you already saw the tree. And then I think the only other update I have is, you can't even see this, let me turn, I'm making you nauseous probably, running around the house. Okay, P.S. we're cleaning all this up. I added these two little things right here with the berries. I just think it makes it look a little bit more festive, so I love that. I'll also link that down below. Very affordable, and I think it just kind of ties in everything, especially because I have the berries on that garland, the berries up there, berries on the wreath, so it just kind of pulls it all together. This was my wreath that I had on the pantry, so I just need to put that away and store it until I take it back out for this spring. So I think that is everything. The girls are here. So let me show you what my list will be for today. We're doing a power hour, so I think I already said that, but let me show you what my list is going to be. Okay, we're gonna go through the mail. You saw a ton of mail on my dining room table. I don't know what the heck happened. It's like I didn't get mail for like 3 or 4 days, and then all of a sudden my mailbox was like overflowing. So I have a ton to go through. I need to put away some towels. I need to clean both bathrooms top to bottom, make my bed. I haven't done that yet today. And then I need to also put away some laundry, frowny face, because I hate putting away laundry. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you like it, subscribe if you like cleaning content, and let's just go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put an hour on the clock. and we'll go ahead and get started.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey little lady, said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real but you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on but you're in my way. I'm so over trying to move on but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
Okay, so I just finished up cleaning the bathroom. It's so nice and clean now. I just need to put away that. So these used to be my dish gloves, so now these will be my designated like bathroom cleaning gloves, and I have a new fresh pair to use for the dishes. That's usually what I do, like when I rotate through. When these start to get a little bit like, I don't know, a little bit crummy, I start using those for cleaning bathrooms. This took forever. I actually like went in the shower and scrubbed the entire thing with this little scrubber brush, and it worked really, really well, just because some of the tile was getting a little discolored, and then I scrubbed the whole door and everything like that. So nice and clean. So time to move on. Let me show you guys the list and see what progress we've made. Okay, so literally the only thing I've done so far is make my bed and clean one bathroom. Okay, better continue moving on. I think I'm gonna go do the towels right now. That way I can get the next load of laundry in. I just broke out a new pair of the cleaning gloves because I think I just told you guys in the last clip that my other ones will now be used for bathroom cleaning. So this is the brand that I like. I just get this at Marshall's. These were $3.99. They usually have these at Marshall's, Home Goods, wherever. And yeah, they're super cute. They kind of might remind me of Lily Pulitzer. So. Alright guys, I just wrapped up this power hour. I hope you enjoyed it and it provided you a little bit of cleaning motivation going into this weekend. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Snow there, it is cold there, but I am safe and I am